Hello, y'all on YouTube. This is Rob, the Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today we have a very special unboxing. I think I know what this is. I said that earlier, another unboxing, and I was wrong. So let's take a look at this and see what we got. All right, today I'm opening up with my slip joint from American Blade Works. Beautiful little Magnacut blade, incredibly great value. Got this at Blade Show. It's a small little three-finger little guy, hollow grind, beautiful. So super exciting to have this thing here. So let's get into this box. Let's see if I can get past everything. All right. All right, what do we got in here? I'm just tearing this box apart. Wow, that's a first for me. All right, so what do we got? We got stickers. Very cool. We got, yeah, stickers and packaging, which I'll save that to use on another box. I'm just gonna put it over here because I've ran out of space over here. So what do we have here? I know I ordered a leather slip from someone. Is this it? I don't know. Let's see. All right, so we've got some stickers here. Oh yeah. 1931Leatherworks. Oh, very cool. It is the, okay. So I wanted to check out a few slip joints, leather guys, because I've ordered from four different people so far, and I like checking the different ones out, because if they make a good product, I love to highlight them and say, hey, you got options, you got great options out there. But Tactical Terry 79, it looks like his old name, but I think he went to 1931Leatherworks. Is that what he explained to me? So we'll be putting that toward the regular weekly giveaways. I like the little cloth, a nice little plaid sheet kind of thing. All right, so here we go. Here we go. I like the very simplistic little, is that a zombie or Frankenstein? I guess it's a Frankenstein. Love how it's been nice and blackened all the way around. It's nice leather. Ooh, that smells. Oh yeah, it's got that nice leather look to it. All right, so here we go. Let's see how we fit. I'm hoping this is a good one, so I'm gonna fit it in there like this probably. All right, so here we go. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's nice. Okay, okay. So I might get another leather slip because I like to have options. I have several leather slips for many of my slip joints, just so you know, except for my Sultan, my Hobby Garcia full custom. That one I had was absolutely done by Guster Leather. So it's the same one Hobby uses for his knives now. He was going to use it for the knife I bought. I wasn't sure if he was going to include it with the knife or you had the option to buy it. But I went and bought it and it matched that one. But this is nice. This is nice. Okay, I'm going to start carrying this now. I like that. I like that. Okay. Now, I have a feeling this is going to break in. So you guys tell me, did your American Blade Works break in? Because it's a little stiff, right? So I got to break it in a little bit. But it's nice. But I like this little slip like that. I think that's going to work really, really well. All right, so let's take a look. You guys probably want to take a look. So here we go. Here's the nice little Frankenstein. I like that. Very subtle, very minimalistic. It still gets a point across. Like here you have the Tactical Terry. You've got the little Frankenstein, right? Which I think is pretty cool, right? Matches the 1931Leatherworks. But it's simple, you know, you don't have to do the scar and the plugs for the electricity. I mean, it's inferred there. You're just getting a very nice simple outline so that someone who might find that a little not comfortable, they might just think it's kind of like a goofy little face, you know. They're not going to be all like, well, it's a Frankenstein or something like that, or a zombie, whatever, you know. But I think I like that. I like that. The leather feels really nice. Nice quality leather. Nice and smooth, but very flexible. Thick. It's going to do some good production. The stitching is really, really nice. I really like the stitching all the way around. Very even. Love this right here. He finished this off really nicely. That's always nice to have that. So you don't have fraying going on. Makes it just fit really well. And so we're going to look at this. I like to have it match the in and out. I mean, I know some people will do it absolutely the other way so they can pull it out that way. I kind of like it like that. I like it just to be in there just enough where I can still drop it. So like if I want it out, I just push it open and it comes out, right? That's the nice thing about something like that. But I think it fits really nicely. So you can see that all the way around. Look at that. You can see on the back, I love this leather. It's going to break in really nicely. He's already put some conditioner on there, which is what I would do if he hadn't. I know Guster didn't. He was like, he wasn't sure what I was going to do, but I did. I put some leather conditioner on there because I like it. I like the polish. So definitely we'll do that and keep it nice and soft. That's going to be really nice in the pocket. I'm going to start carrying this. I've been carrying my barley that was gifted to me by Tyler. I really appreciate that. And then I have the, was it Northwestern Leatherworks? I think it is. Is it this guy right here? I think it's Northwest Leatherworks. I can't remember. This is the barley I've been carrying. It's a little bit bigger. As you can see, this guy's a little bit smaller, which is still really cool. So it's always nice to have a little smaller one in the pocket, especially if you're carrying a bigger knife. So I'm going to carry that. So there you go. Now I have a little smaller option. This is what I'll be carrying in the pocket for at least for a while to kind of get a feel of it. I think this is going to stay in my collection. Otherwise, it's going to be a giveaway knife. We'll see. We'll see. I do need some good giveaway knives for 10K coming up. I got to start planning for that. I like this. You can see how it fits in there. You see that? Like that. I didn't realize I was zoomed in, so hopefully it wasn't a terrible video. If it was, I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. So let me do this. I'm going to put this out here like this so I can do a little video. You know what? I'm going to zoom in just for the little thumbnail here. I think it's worth putting this like this right here. What do you think? Kind of we can do that. Let's put it over here like this. How about we do that? And we can get a little picture. Use that for our little thumbnail or whatever. Make sure it's nice and even. Is it even? I don't know. Sorry about this. You can fast forward through this, or I'll have already fast forward. But there you go. That's a nice little picture. I like that. Again, this goes in and out very nicely. I love the fact I can just drop that out. Comes in, out. Then I stick it in my pocket, and I like to lay it flat down in my pocket. And then this top part, if I have a pocket knife, that's all it's touching, right? Because I have one knife for that. So I have one pocket for my knives. So I like that. I like that a lot. Thank you. Thank you, 1931 Leatherworks. I think it's an outstanding little leather pouch, little leather slip. I think this will work very nicely. So I'm digging it. I'm digging it. We'll do a long-term kind of overview, maybe of all my slips once I have the other one, because then I'll have a bunch, right? I almost did a third one, but I thought, I don't know if I need a third one. If it was one of my other knives, probably, but I'm up in the air whether this is going to be a giveaway knife or not. I don't really know at this point. I'm just trying to plan for 10K. I got to just tell you. So, and I want to make sure it's something really, really cool. I think this would be cool if I don't have some other cool knives, but I may have other cool knives that this may not compare to. So, then I may just keep it. Right. All right. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you to 1931 Leatherworks. Outstanding job. I think it's value well spent. I really feel like what I paid for this is a fair value. I'm very happy with it. The quality is outstanding, and I've seen some leather slips. They're okay. Some not mine. Everything I've gotten so far for me, the 4 different folks that I've liked, right? Some of them were brand new in making this. They were kind of, and I suspect if 1 or 2 of them, if I bought from them again, I bet they're like completely night and day, even better. But that's what happens. We all get better. We get better at what we do, something we love. And obviously this guy's been doing this for a little bit. I think it's cool. So thank you. Thank you, 1931 Leatherworks. And I'll make sure I'll include those stickers in my giveaways. Hey, if you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, let me slide that down. Actually, let me take it out so you can see how it goes in, just like that. How about we do that? All right. Hey, if you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, or informative, would you please consider hitting that like button down below? And if you've already hit that like button, would you please consider also hitting the subscribe button down below? Subscribing and liking the channel and the video really helps me out. Allows me to produce more content, do more things, ultimately do more things for you guys. So a big thank you, big shout out, big appreciation to every one of you guys out there. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If you haven't already, maybe consider hitting that notification button down below as well so you can be notified of future content like this and other videos. And a big shout out to my channel members. I appreciate you guys. You do 2 amazing things for me. You encourage me. You're like a workout buddy. I love doing this. You just remind me why I love doing this. I do it part-time. I'm not a full-time guy. So I thank you for that. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. The other thing that you do is by your generous support as members, you allow me to check things out sooner, do things sooner than I ever thought I'd be able to do. You allow me to do my weekly giveaways. Many times that would have been consumed in shipping and other costs that I have to account for when you get a knife, you look at a knife, pass around, whatever. Because, I don't have enough knives for every one of these videos, and I don't have enough money to go buy a knife for every one of these videos. So I'm very grateful to people who loan me knives, allow me to check out their knives. Thank you. But you members, you allow me to continue to do that way sooner than I thought I could. You also, do other things for the channel. You really encourage me to do other things for you guys, to be able to continue to produce content and stuff like that. So I'm just grateful for that. As a small way for me to say thank you, I did two exclusive things for my channel members. One, I do a once a month members exclusive giveaway. Usually it's not just a budget banger like I do every week for everybody. It is something a little nicer, $100 to $300, something, a knife, something really cool. So I like to do that for you guys as a small way for me to say thank you. That is one of the other things that I like to do. All right. Keep an eye out for that. The other thing that I also like to do is give brand new channel members a sticker, a channel sticker. So if you've never gotten a channel sticker and you're a brand new channel member, actively a member right now, email me with your name and address. That's all I need. I just need you to be an active current member right now and have never asked or received a channel sticker. If that's the case, email me. And so that may apply to brand new channel members. A lot of you out there, appreciate you. But it may also apply to someone who's been a member all along and just never asked. I mean, maybe today is the day you ask. I don't know. Or someone who was a member and then became a member and you never asked before. Ask away. I'd love to do that for you. A little channel sticker and a thank you note. All right. Thank you, everyone out there. Appreciate you guys watching. You all mean the world to me. If you haven't already, check me out on Instagram at Robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at Robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.